HIV in Pakistan. Symptoms, spread, treatment and prevention complete awareness guide. What if I told you that HIV cases in Pakistan have increased significantly in recent years, and many infected people don't even know they have the virus? Even more shocking, HIV cannot spread through handshakes, hugging, or sharing food, yet many people still believe these myths. Today we'll discuss what HIV really is, how it spreads, its symptoms, treatment, prevention, and why awareness can save lives. Stay until the end because I'll also explain the biggest myths about HIV that many people still believe. Welcome to BioTalk with Hajra. Today we'll discuss one of the world's most misunderstood diseases, HIV and AIDS. This video is purely for education and awareness. The purpose is not to create fear but to help people understand the facts so they can protect themselves and others. What is HIV? HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It is a virus that attacks the body's immune system, especially CD40 helper cells, which play a major role in fighting infections. When these cells are destroyed over time, the body's defense system becomes weak. Without treatment, HIV can eventually progress to AIDS. Difference between HIV and AIDS. Many people think HIV and AIDS are the same thing. They are not. HIV, the virus that enters the body. A person can live many years with HIV if diagnosed early and treated. AIDS, the most advanced stage of HIV infection, occurs when the immune system becomes severely damaged. The body becomes vulnerable to opportunistic infections and certain cancers. Not every person with HIV develops AIDS, especially if treatment starts early. How does HIV spread? HIV spreads through certain body fluids. Blood, semen, vaginal fluids, rectal fluids, breast milk. Common ways HIV spreads. Unprotected sexual contact with an infected partner. Sharing contaminated needles or syringes. Receiving infected blood or blood products that have not been properly screened. Mother-to-child transmission during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding if preventive treatment is not used. Occupational exposure, needle stick injuries, in healthcare settings. How HIV does not spread. Many people wrongly fear everyday contact. HIV does not spread through hugging, handshakes, sharing food or utensils, sharing toilets, mosquito bites, sweat, tears, coughing or sneezing, casual social contact. This is why people living with HIV deserve respect, not discrimination. Early symptoms. Within 2 to 4 weeks after infection, some people develop flu-like symptoms. Fever, sore throat, rash, fatigue, muscle aches, swollen lymph nodes, headache. Some people have no symptoms at all. Silent stage. After the early stage, HIV may remain silent for years. During this time, the infected person may feel completely healthy. But the virus continues damaging the immune system. They can still transmit HIV to others if preventive measures are untaken. This is why testing is important. Diagnosis. HIV cannot be diagnosed by symptoms alone. Doctors use laboratory tests such as HIV antibody tests, HIV antigen antibody tests, HIV nucleic acid tests, NAT. People at higher risk or with possible exposure should discuss testing with a healthcare provider. Is there a cure? One of the biggest questions. Can HIV be cured? At present, there is no widely available cure for HIV. However, modern antiretroviral therapy, ART, can control the virus very effectively. People who start treatment early and take it consistently can live long, healthy lives. With successful treatment, the amount of virus in the blood can become undetectable. When someone maintains an undetectable viral load through treatment, they do not sexually transmit HIV to partners, often summarized as U is equal to U, undetectable is equal to untransmittable. This only applies when viral suppression is confirmed and maintained under medical care. Prevention. The best protection includes practicing safer sex, including correct and consistent condom use, never sharing needles or syringes, ensuring blood transfusions come from properly screened blood, HIV testing for people at risk and before marriage or pregnancy where appropriate and voluntary. Pregnant women with HIV receiving treatment to greatly reduce the chance of passing HIV to the baby. For people at high risk of HIV exposure, medicines such as PrEP, pre-exposure prophylaxis, may be recommended by healthcare providers. After a possible high-risk exposure, PEP, post-exposure prophylaxis, should be started as soon as possible, ideally within 72 hours under medical guidance. HIV situation in Pakistan. Pakistan has seen an increase in reported HIV cases over recent years, including outbreaks linked to unsafe medical practices in some areas and ongoing transmission through unsafe injections, unscreened blood, shared needles, and unprotected sex. News reports have highlighted concerns in different cities, including Islamabad, but HIV is not limited to one city. It is a nationwide public health issue that requires awareness, testing, safe healthcare practices, and access to treatment. Instead of creating panic or blaming any group, the focus should be on prevention, early diagnosis, and reducing stigma. Common myths. Myth 1. HIV spreads through touching. False. Myth 2. Only certain types of people get HIV. False. Anyone can become infected if exposed through recognized transmission routes. Myth 3. HIV means death. False. With modern treatment, many people with HIV live long and productive lives. Myth 4. A healthy-looking person cannot have HIV. False. Someone may have HIV for years without symptoms. HIV is not spread by friendship, kindness, or sharing meals. It spreads through specific body fluids and can often be prevented with the right knowledge and precautions. Early testing, timely treatment, and compassion toward people living with HIV are essential. Remember, awareness saves lives, while stigma prevents people from getting tested and treated. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves. Please like, share, and subscribe to BioTalk with Hajra.